beautiful cat. My God. What a beautiful color combination. My God. Yeah. Splendid. Beautiful. Oh my God. Again, she's looking to me. She wants food, nothing else. She's waiting. Somebody will come to this shop and give her. Nowadays, in all shops, that cat food is available. Small, like buttons. They are in hundreds or tens and twenties in number in sachets available in all pan bidi shop and all people. They take that 5 rupees, 10 rupees, and they put the food for them. But you all know they love flesh, yeah, chicken and all. Even if we give them chicken, they eat very. My God, yeah. Now looking that I am giving some food, you see. Again, see, yeah, yeah, coming very close to me. My God.